What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Ashok from TechiBee, and after a long wait, Oneplus has rolled out a stable update for Oneplus 6, which is Oxygen OS 9.0.3, which have changes related to system, camera, earphone and communication. So with the system updater application, I did not receive OTA update, so I had to use VPN services and I changed the region to Germany. As soon as I changed the region to Germany, I received an OTA update with a size of 159 MB. So downloading and installation process have already completed. Let's reboot and finalize the installation. So device have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see device name is OnePlus 6, Oxygen OS now is 9.0.3. Under Android version is 9 with a security patch of 1st December 2018 and the build date is 25th December. So taking a look at the change logs. So these are the change logs which are related to system, camera, earphone and communication. First one under system, it says Android security patch has been updated to December 2018. So let me show you that once again. Here you can see security patch is 1st December 2018. After that, few optimizations and improvements have been done related to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Then general bug fixes and improvements done. Moving on to the camera part, it says improved Nightscape performance, but the camera version is still not updated, which remains version 2.10.13. On beta programs we already have version 3. You guys let me know in the comment section below whether any improvements are noticed in the Nightscape mode. But in beta program, Nightscape have been improved a lot in version 3. After that, next changelog is related to earphone. Now it says audio tuner for Bluetooth earphones. So this was not available previously, but now it has been added. It was only available in the beta program, but it is also been added in the stable version now. Under sounds, you'll find option of earphone where you have audio tuner available. So if your Bluetooth device is connected, as you can see my Bluetooth device is already connected, and here you can also enable audio tuner. This feature was only available with wired headset in the previous update. And the last changelog is related to communication, which says updated APNs for better connectivity. So guys, these are the complete changelogs of Oxygen OS 9.0.3. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 2377, wherein multi-core have scored 8990. With Antutu benchmark application, the device have scored 2,96,860. And for those who don't receive an update using VPN services also, then I'll put up the complete zip file in the description below. You can download from there and do a local upgrade. And if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.